Hey everybody, in today's quick tip, we're going to take a look at how you can use the trim and extension of profiles to help you chamfer edges that go up to walls or shoulders where typically you would run into some problems. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, in this example, we have our job set up and we have a chamfer feature. And what I want to do is just backplot it. So we're going to right click on our operation and choose backplot. From here, we can run around, and if we zoom into this section right here, you'll see how the tool is actually making contact with our model. With our lead in, we don't have quite enough room in order to get in here and break this edge starting right at the beginning of this profile chain. And this is a really common scenario that you'll run into. You'll select a profile of your geometry, and when you're trying to chamfer, it just doesn't have enough room without gouging into the part. Now, instead of editing a sketch or trying to trim it back, you can make this adjustment right within your 2-axis feature. Let's just go over to our feature and edit, okay? And then we're going to come to this parameter section where you can turn on extensions. Now, extensions allow you to trim or extend your profile, and you can either do it by a distance or by a percentage of the cutter. An extension would be a positive number, a trim would be a negative number. Once we make our adjustments here and recompute, we'll see that our toolpath is adjusted. It's going to start a little bit off our initial profile and will eliminate the gouge that we are having with our wall. I recommend you give this feature a try on your next project.